Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix your fast charging not working on your OnePlus 15. Okay, so if you'd like to fix your fast charging not working, there are a few things. At first, the most important part is to check whether your charger is compatible with fast charging. Also, you should check for damage, because damage may slow down the charging. So look at the charger and the cable. First, we'll focus on the cable. So of course, the damage, it's an Apple charger. It doesn't really matter. As long as it's from a genuine brand, it should be just fine. And here, there should be output. It says output here, and it's important that the output of the charger is enough watts to be considered fast charging. Now, I'll quickly tell you what the fast charging on this phone is. So, on this phone, the fast charging speeds go up to 120 watts. That's quite a lot. And by the way, the battery is quite big, so that's great that the charging is really fast. On this charger from a MacBook, it says that the maximum output is 20.3 volts at 3 amperes, which translates to, you just need to multiply it volts by amperes, so it's gonna be about 60 something watts. I think like 61 watts, and 61 watts is about half the speed of the maximum speed of this phone's charging, but it is considered fast charging. I think that everything above like 30 watts is considered fast charging, so that is worth keeping in mind. Also, the cable. Most cables should be fine as long as they are from a genuine brand and they weren't bought on like some cheap Chinese AliExpress or whatever. They should have everything fine. But now a few important things. Cables. Some cables do say on the cable itself, it says it's like, for example, 100-watt cable, and that's great. It tells you it exactly, but most cables don't say that. So if your cable doesn't say that, you just need to see if it works. Maybe try a different cable with your charger. Also check for visible damage, and that should be just fine. Now also make sure that your charging port is clean. If it's not, then your charging won't be fast. Your charging port needs to be clean, and I'd highly recommend cleaning it sometimes using a non-metallic tool. So a soft brush is fine. Soft brush is actually the best thing that you could use for your charging port. Just swipe it around. You can also use like a used or a new toothbrush that you won't use to clean the port. It's also worth like looking in the light if there's some dust visible, and that should help you for sure. Now, you may also want to clean the debris. It's great to get the isopropyl alcohol, which doesn't conduct electricity, so you can use it for your phone. It's safe to clean your phone with it, so you can get the IPA and the soft brush and clean it like that. Just spray it into the port and it should be just fine. Now also, let's make sure that fast charging is enabled. So go to settings, go to battery, and now go to charging settings. Now, you may want to enable smart rapid charging, but for that, you would need to have the OnePlus charger. I mean, technically most chargers will work, but the OnePlus charger, the original one, will give you the highest speeds. Now, it's also worth testing with another fast charger or another outlet, and it's worth updating your software to fix any possible bugs. To fix bugs with an update, go to System and Update in Settings, go to the Software Update, and now it's gonna start checking for available updates. And if there is one, it is really worth installing it so it fixes the issues. Maybe there is just a software issue. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.